million-dollar water views, and unmatched urban living. Welcome to Trapp & Holbrook. Imagine stepping into a home where sleek modern design meets stunning water views. The moment you enter, you're greeted by an open-concept living space flooded with natural light thanks to floor-to-ceiling windows that frame the breathtaking Fraser River. The spacious living room seamlessly flows into a chef-inspired kitchen, complete with quartz countertops, high-end stainless steel appliances, and ample storage. Whether you're hosting a lively dinner party or enjoying a quiet night in, this space sets the stage for unforgettable moments. Both the living room and the serene bedroom feature floor-to-ceiling windows that bathe the space in natural light. In the bedroom, oversized windows ensure you wake up every morning to stunning water views. Step outside onto the expansive balcony, which stretches the length of the living room to the bedroom. Rounding out this home is a spa-inspired bathroom where elegant tiling, beautiful shower, and sleek modern finishes transform everyday routines into moments of indulgence. Living at Trapp & Holbrook means enjoying premium amenities, including a state-of-the-art fitness center and a rooftop terrace with unparalleled views. Nestled in the lively downtown New Westminster, you're just steps from the River Market, Westminster Pier Park, boutique shops, and a diverse range of restaurants. With the SkyTrain station nearby, the entire Metro Vancouver area is at your fingertips. This is your chance to own a home where every day feels extraordinary. Schedule your private viewing today and experience the iconic Trapp & Holbrook lifestyle for yourself.